Welcome, friends and family, to the cozy times. Let's relax, grab something warm. Hold your pet. What is your secret? What is the secret of your beauty? And settle in together. I will be diving into some crafts today, and you are all cordially invited to watch me do stuff and hopefully some magic to unfold. You never know. It can also end up in some chaotic times. But hopefully today's not the day. So I need to tell you what I'm gonna do today. Do I? So today I will be diving into something closer to my heart, or rather closer to my actual skill set. Because, I woke up in the morning and I was like, Alex, you need to win. For the past few videos, you have been failing really miserably. And that's true. Like, everything I touched, I don't want to talk about it, but like, it wasn't very, very good. So, in the morning, I woke up and I was like, I want to paint and restore something. And I know, some of you are gonna call me out, and I know even who. I'm talking to you. I know what you're thinking. What you're about to do is heresy, and yeet yourself from the nearest mountain. But bear with me, okay? I have a plan. It's a good plan. Just shh. Hear me out. So, what's the plan, you ask? I'm planning to paint over these little bulbs. Just look at them. Sorry, can you see them? What now? Maybe? Okay. Here they are, my little egg cup holder bulbs. These are probably from the 60s or 70s. My heart tells me it's more 70s because of the eye makeup. Like, it's very 70s. Similar sets like this one that I have over here, they sell on eBay and on the old internet for around 60 or 70 euro. But here's the thing. I don't know if you can see it, but like the dowels, they've seen, better times. The paint is chipping away. Like, this dude, he doesn't look too bad, but where is this guy? Here we go. The paint is chipping from all of them, and they're past their prime because like the wood is just exposed. So like every time we're using it, like we're damaging them even more. And third point, the most important point is, it's my set, and it goes as I say. So I feel like a rebel today, and this is what I'm gonna do. These bulbs are officially getting a glow up. Alright, so what's the plan, you ask? First things first, so I think the first thing we need to do is to strip off the paint. But there are a few ways to go about it, and I'm still debating which approach will be the best for me. So I have like 3 options. So the first one is classic sandpaper route, which, it's pretty straightforward, but also time consuming, and it's messy. I'm not sure if I'm ready to do this after renovating our office. So the second option is, hello? The second option is to use a torch and heat from the torch to scrape off the old paint. But first of all, it's risky because sometimes the wood can catch on fire. And second of all, these bulbs are really tiny. They have hats and rims. If I'll be able to scrape it off, everything. So yeah, that's an option. It's something I can explore, that's for sure. So the third option is going with this paint stripper route, which really speaks to me because it is a quick removal for sure. Also, don't get me wrong, it's really messy. I don't know if you ever used a paint stripper. Very messy. We'll see. So after all that's done, I will need to replace the dowels. I think I'm just gonna remove all of them because it's gonna be really, really hard to find the exact same dowels that I have. I just think starting fresh and just having a blank slate is just the best approach to do it. And finally, I need to design a new fresh look for those bulbs. And don't get me wrong, they're really stinking cute, but I think my kitchen and my dining room is ready for something new. So I decided not to redo them as they are, just do something new. And the real problem starts here. What should I paint? What should I design? Today, we strip. So today I decided to film in the garden because it's really nice and it's really nice and warm, and I will be only stripping the paint today because I'm planning to go for a nice walk after. I tried to find my blowtorch in the garage. I don't have it, unfortunately. It's somewhere. So today I'll be testing only two methods on the table, which is there, outside. So, do you want to move or should I move you? You're gonna move yourself, okay. So I'm gonna walk. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this guy and see. This feels really nice and smooth. Yeah, I'm just worried, you know, like about the inside of it, like how I'm gonna take off this paint, like it's really hard to reach. You know what? I think it's safe to say that we should go with the paint stripper route. This is just gonna take a million years, and I don't have a million years to go through all 6 of them. So we're adults here, let's not kid ourselves. Like, we have places to be and things to do. While our little soldier bulbs cook away in the paint stripper, I think it's time to dig through some of my drawings and look for inspiration for the new paint job. I said, it's time to dig through the drawings. Yes, I know, very nice cookie tin, and it's unopened. These cookies are really nice. Oh my goodness. Can you show the drawings? Can you stop? Thank you. Ugh. You're so nice. Oi. I'm looking for something, dare I say, kitschy, grandma core vibes that we have going on in the dining room. I was thinking, maybe some fawns? I know, it sounds weird. It does sound weird. But recently I picked up on the auction some nice Hornsey Fauna Royale pottery, and I just can't get over them. Impeccable, right? You know, maybe this is the way to go. Maybe I should just fully commit and make my dining room shelf like an altar for woodland creatures. But then I also have some cats there and a goose. Too many choices. Let me sleep on that. So, fair warning, I'm super disorganized when it comes to tracking my drawings. Don't expect anything aesthetic here. I don't really keep a proper sketchbook. I'm more of a grab whatever paper or scrap is nearby and draw on it kind of person. So here's hoping I find something inspiring in my stash of drawings. Okay, so the lads are dry now. I have them all here. I think I need to hide my face so you can see them. I don't know if the camera's focusing. I will give them light sanding today. I don't know if you can see this guy properly, but like he still has like a lot of paint left on him. But this little guy, this one, he's so smooth. Like you're petting a tiny critter. If there are gonna be like that, I don't know if I should paint him. No, I'm just kidding. I do have a plan, kinda. Kudos to my half-asleep Jersey self from yesterday, who decided, yes, it's a very good plan to draw something now. Yeah. Can you see it? Yeah, I know. Very clear and concise. I love how detailed those notes are. Now, enjoy a little montage of me trying to decode this stuff, because this is what I need to do now. Then we'll pick up from here. Sounds good? Fantastic. Editing, Alex. Take it away. Can you see me well? I hope you do. Oh, it's so annoying. Like like the weather is really nice, and I want to film outside and stuff, but I still don't know how to set this camera, so I'm kind of struggling. From what I can decipher from my beautiful sketch, where is it? No, don't tell me I lost it. Where is it? Can you see it properly? Maybe you can now. Oh, okay. From what I can decipher from like this little tiny thing and my beautiful handwriting, I want to paint little critters with jobs. I think it says jobs here. You cannot see anything. The weather today, it's either gloomy or really, really sunny. There are some critters that look like cats. There's one rabbit that I'm sure of it. Looks like a rabbit. There's also a little bear with a shovel. I think it's a shovel. Wait, I think I know what this whole thing is about. Hold on. There's this illustration I did some time ago, I think last year. It's called Home Sweet Home, and it's one of my favorites, to be honest. Oh, here it is. Yeah, there are little critters here. Look similar. They're dancing, and these are dancing as well. Yeah, this makes more sense now. And there's a rabbit. Yeah, oh my god, I even got the how they're placed right. So I'm gonna leave the illustration here now. Open Photoshop, and I guess I can start with the designing, like for real. Let's do this. We have 6 egg cups to remodel. One has a brimmed hat, one a cap, and the others look like they're all wedding little boxes. So I just want to show you something really quickly. So I redid the thing. I sanded it down and I have new dowels here. So they're all glued in, I think. Oh no, these are a bit... yeah, they're a bit crooked, but like I think they look much better than they looked before. I think I'm gonna oil it or use beeswax, I'm still not sure. I want to keep the wood like very natural color. All the babies are done. I don't know if you can see the sketches. Tomorrow is the finale, so I need to get going. Okay, I'm going back to work. So, see you soon. This is the third time I'm actually recording this because my pajamas are too white for this camera for some reason. Yes, and I'm still in my pajamas because I intend to go back to bed after eating breakfast. Because today is a very gloomy day. If you live in Ireland and you know what kind of weather we had after the storm, Ewan, it's disgusting. I'm just gonna stay in bed today. Anyway, the project! I'm not even joking. I'm being 100% serious right now. I didn't know how much serotonin this project will bring me. It's the colors are spot on. Like, this is exactly what I wanted. Every time I'm coming into the dining room, my brain just goes somewhere. It's in overdrive. So if you have like an uninspiring wooden egg cups, give them a glow up. I really do recommend doing that. You never know. You can get a really nice boost of happy hormones from this. And if you don't, at least you learned something. That's a plus as well. I wanted to say something really quickly before I go back to my breakfast and go back to bed. Some time ago, I think 3 weeks ago or a month ago, I made a community post on YouTube asking you like what you would like to see on my YouTube channel, and most of you leaned towards stuff that I'm good at. So most of you said that you would like to see some artsy stuff on my channel, so I started to write a script for the next month, so for February, and it's going to be all about making collages. So I've written only the intro, and it's already 11 pages long. Yeah, it's already very long, so I'm gonna do this in parts. I'm not gonna force you to sit through like an hour-long video, don't worry. Is that okay? I hope it's okay. I don't know. You can tell me in the comments, I guess. You will be learning about collages, but I'm learning a lot about myself when I'm writing those scripts. I'm actually quite happy doing that. Okay, mamo, tato, kocham was i tęsknię. Thank you for being here. Tune in February if you want to learn something. I'm going to finish my breakfast, stare at this stupid face for a few minutes. Okay, take care, have a nice weekend, have a nice week, and see you in February.